YXY is a leading manufacturer of connectors, specializing in kinds of connectors. Today, we'll showcase our key features and applications of pin header sockets. Custom designed for flexibility, our pin headers and sockets offer options in pitch, pin count, mounting style, rows, and height to meet diverse needs. Designed for signal transmission, these connectors are not suited for high current applications. Ensure compatibility by selecting specifications tailored to your project. From precision stamping and molding to raw material testing, automated assembly, rigorous inspection, and final shipment, we ensure top quality at every stage. ISO 9001 certified and RoHS compliant, our products meet strict global standards for reliability and safety. Sockets are widely used in communications, medical devices, and industrial systems, powering innovation across industries. Visit our email address for more information or inquiries. Let's connect!